In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps in WordPress. It's a simple process that can really enhance your website by providing your visitors with easy access to location information. First, start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. In the search bar, type Google Maps and hit enter. This will take you directly to the Google Maps platform where we can begin our process. Once you're on Google Maps, you'll see a search bar at the top left corner of the screen. Click on it and type the address or location that you wish to feature on your WordPress site. This could be your business location, a point of interest, or any other place you'd like your visitors to know about. For this tutorial, we'll use California, USA as our example location. After typing in the address, press the Enter key, and Google Maps will direct you to the chosen area. Now, with the map of your chosen location in view, look for the Share button, which is usually represented by an icon resembling an arrow. Click on it, and a small window with sharing options will pop up. Here, you need to switch to the Embed a Map tab. This option allows you to generate an HTML code that you can embed into your WordPress page, ensuring your visitors can access the map directly from your site. You'll then be presented with an HTML button or link. Click on Copy HTML next to it. This action copies the embed code to your clipboard, making it ready for use on your WordPress site. Next, open a new tab and go to your WordPress dashboard. You'll want to click on Pages from the navigation menu. Once there, select the specific page where you want to embed the Google Map. If you're just starting out, feel free to create a new page or use an existing one. It's entirely up to you. With your desired page open, look for the plus sign, typically used for adding new blocks to your page. Click on this sign and a block selection tool will appear. Now, search for HTML in the block options, which will bring you to the correct area for pasting your copied map code. Select Custom HTML from the options and you'll see an empty text box appear. In this text box, paste the HTML code you copied from Google Maps earlier. This code essentially acts as the bridge, embedding the map directly onto your WordPress page for everyone to see. Once you've pasted the code, you're just about done. Simply click Preview to check how the map looks on your page. You should now see your Google Maps seamlessly integrated into your WordPress site, providing valuable location information to your visitors. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to enhance your WordPress site with an embedded Google Map. Thanks for watching and happy website building.